Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do another read for you. Let's see how you're feeling, Virgo, how your person is feeling, and what action we can expect in this connection now. And these are general collective readings, Virgo, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Virgo and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Virgo, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you so much for being here again. And Virgo, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Virgo newbies, I'm setting down these two sets of cards. One side is for you, one side is for your person. And in the center, I'll have your dialogue message cards and your action cards. And for the duration of the reading, I will be mentioning this side is person A, this side is person B. If this is your story, Virgo, you'll know which side you resonate best with, right? Okay. And one action card here, one action card here. And bottom of my deck, the overall energy is the 9 of Wands. So either giving up the fight, either with each other, or I don't know, let's see. Somebody wants to come back, or they want that person to come back because they want to reveal the truth. On the other side, also, somebody hasn't been emotionally happy till now, and they want some choice to be made, some decision to be made now, full and final. So yes, let's see what's going to happen here. What I'm going to do, Virgo, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. If you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll start clarifying these cards. So Virgo and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now. Virgo and their person, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Okay. Virgo and their person spirit. Take a few more, Virgo, from another deck. Virgo and their person. Okay. Good to go, Virgo. Let's begin your reading. The first card here says, why do you stay when they treat you so badly? At first I thought it was only a sexual attraction, but it's so much more than that. I love you, mind, body, and soul. I keep reading our old text messages. This lifetime didn't work out. Hopefully I can do better next lifetime. Giving up and leaving just seems so much easier than to deal with any more pain. I loved you more than I loved myself. Then I realized I didn't love myself. I never loved them. It was just about the sex. I love you. And the last one here says, Virgo, you made me realize I had flaws. I'm trying to do better now. Okay, Virgo, so if these are resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. Let's see what's going on here, and let's start with the energies of person A. Let's see how they're doing. Person A has the 8 of Cups in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? 8 of Cups in reverse. 8 of Cups is usually a card of somebody wanting to return. Yes, some injustice has been done. Maybe there was a fight or something happened here which person A feels was injustice was done. Maybe there could have been a little argument, or you guys said something to each other. This could have been rash and not thought about, and it could have hurt their person, right? Somebody does want to bring back balance, bring back that equal give and take, bring back a equality in that partnership, and either return back to their partner or have their partner return back to them. High Priestess in reverse. Yes, they want to reveal what's in their heart. What is in their heart is, yes, I was being pulled into different directions. Maybe I didn't want to make a choice at that point, but I do love you. You're my soulmate. You are the person who I really, really need and want in my life. And I can't deal, with all this stress and worry anymore. They would just want to tell their partner that, enough of worry and crying, and they know their partner's been through stress and maybe they're going through stress. They just want their partner to know that they are the one. Am I right, Spirit? Anything else? Yes, they see their partner as very, very loving, very kind, very intuitive, very beautiful, and the one and only one that they love. If they were, earlier not making a choice, they want to now tell their partner that I know who my right choice is, you are the one and there's nobody else. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person A to be feeling this way? The Star card in reverse. So either they went a wrong direction or lost hope in this connection. Maybe they didn't have, somebody did something. Either they went back to a place, something, whoever did whatever, this person was not feeling in their full power. And maybe they were covering it up by being like a little bit stubborn or like a dictator, or trying to pretend that, they knew what they were doing. I think that really upset their person a lot. There could have been a fight, there could have been suspicion. Even though this was a return, there was some immature behavior that happened. And I think this is the next try that person A wants. This has already happened once before. Somebody returned and there was a fight or an argument and some immature behavior. And that kind of, maybe somebody didn't give an offer or somebody didn't take an offer, and that's kind of led to a lot of emotional baggage, a little bit of disappointment, feeling left out, feeling devastated actually, because maybe somebody was being a bit sneaky, or they tried to escape a conversation. Maybe somebody did something wrong here. That's all I can say. I mean, there's so many of you out there. I don't want to put one label out there to say this person was a cheat or a liar. Yes, that could have been, but it was maybe as simple as trying to avoid a conversation. And now somebody wants their person to either return back to them again, or they want to go back to them and say, hey, can we restore peace and harmony? You are the one. So how does person A now see this connection, Spirit? Person A doesn't want this connection to end. The Death card in reverse. They're trying to manifest something. What are they trying to manifest, Spirit? They either are manifesting that their partner should come back to them with maybe a romantic proposal, or they're trying to manifest maybe the correct time to take a romantic proposal to them. They want to be open and honest with them and, find that harmony and peace once again in this connection. So, yes, see, harmony and peace. The minute I said that, the Temperance card comes out. This is again restoring healing and balance to a connection. Somebody still has a lot of romantic feelings. They don't want this connection to end. But they are somewhere scared that their person may not want, they may not be very happy to see them right now. Could be a bit upset and angry with them, may not want a reunion with them. But person A does have a lot of passion for person B yet, and they want to end this conflict and move on to, calmer place between the both of you. They are ready to fight for it if they have to. They have so much of passion that they are, ready to even come and fight person B to say, I love you. Come back to me. So let's see, person B, how you're doing. What action person A will finally take, we'll open later, Virgo. Let's see how person B is doing. So person B is not feeling emotionally happy at all. There's been, I don't think person B is even calling up person A or messaging them or texting them. They feel, I'm going to make I'm going to get out of this confusion now. I'm going to make myself a priority. I'll do the choosing now if they can't. And since there is no hope for a happily ever after, I might as well remove this toxicity from my life. This relationship has become too toxic for me to bear. And if there is no brand new beginning, I'm not going to call them either. I'm going to hold back a little bit. Okay? So person B is on that stance to say if there is no happiness, then I'm holding back. 7 of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Yes, they feel there's too much conflict in this connection, maybe too many people in the mix. You guys are just not getting aligned to, find happiness between the two of you. And there's too much delay. Yes, person B is tired of waiting. They say, this lifetime is not working out. Maybe next lifetime we can make it happen. So person B is a bit tired of either waiting for their person to become single, or they feel that too much time has gone by. That person B is on that stance of, I think it's time to hold back and kind of, release myself from this obsession that this connection has created. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to be feeling this way? Knight of Wands in reverse. They felt that person was being very immature, never taking responsibility. This never really made them feel emotionally happy or satisfied. They felt they were carrying the entire burden of this connection. This was kind of breaking person B's back. They said, if I have to take full responsibility of this connection and you're always going to, maybe just dip in and out of my life and never make any strong decision, then what's the point? Person B got a bit dissatisfied with the amount of investment that was being put from person A's side, I think, towards this connection. And now for person B feels maybe this was a false soulmate, and now so many, bad memories have been created in this connection. I think it's better that I also stop, fighting for this connection. It's time I gave up the fight. So person B, how do you see this connection now? Person B feels they just want to have peace, I think. 5 of Wands in reverse. They feel, I just want to end this fight. Yes, I do love them very much, but I don't see any long-term stability. I don't feel safe. I don't feel secure in this connection. Yes, the love is there, but I'm tired of fighting for it now. I think person B feels that there is no hope for a commitment left anymore. Nothing is on offer. They feel their person is not in a maybe position right now to offer them this 4 of Wands, this commitment, Hierophant. And I think person B is feeling a bit tired and rejected and not appreciated. But the love is still there. They do still have a big cup of love. I think they feel this connection is kind of gotten stuck, and they do hope for communication. They either want to take communication or they want communication from person B, maybe from person A, maybe to discuss this, that hey, if you're not going to be offering me, I don't want any small offers. I don't want, a Page of Cups kind of an offer where, you apologize but you don't mean it. You give me an offer of love and you don't mean it. I don't want something like this. If that's the way you're going to be, then I might as well, set myself free. I want to then, think that it's not going to happen. If there is nothing on offer, I might as well take a leap of faith and move forward to a brand new beginning. And if you want to be in my life, then this little cup is not going to cut it. You have to come correct and offer me that brand new beginning, which I've been waiting for God knows when. So that's how person B is feeling. So let's see, person A, will you take any action? But before that, Virgo, I forgot. I'm going to take an angel blessing card to see what my angels have to say, what blessing, guidance, advice, or a message they have for you. For Virgo spirit, triumphant. Don't worry, Virgo. One way or the other, I think there is victory coming. Okay, so I know this could be a stressful time for you, but my angels are promising you victory. Okay, so don't lose hope at all. And if any of you are looking for a personal reading, Virgo, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So, person A, any action from your end? Nine of Swords in reverse. Yes, they do want to come out of this overthinking, of this stress. This person doesn't probably know what to say, or they're trying to balance out their own life. Person A's mode of action, at least for this coming week, is they're trying to gather information. They are watching from afar. I don't think this person is coming forward to say anything directly, but they are trying to kind of spy on person B, trying to figure out what is the correct path now to follow, what to say, how to say it, when to say it. They want to do something which will eliminate this stress and tension that's going on between the two of you. Yes, they do want to have this clear communication. They want to come in correct. They want to have this very, straightforward communication, which they feel with this conversation they can reduce the amount of stress and tension that's come between the two of you. If person B is having a hard time, person A is as well, and they also want to be out of this anxiety now. But I think they are kind of waiting and watching for the correct time before they can approach person B. But they will come forward. They have a very clear objective here. The King of Swords is a truthful, honest, straight shooting king, right? They like to get straight to the point. But maybe they're just waiting for the right time, waiting and watching. So person B, will you take any action since you love them too? Queen of Wands is in reverse, which means they're probably a little upset and angry with person A right now. They feel, I will be truly, truly happy only if my person comes to me correct this time. If they come to me offering me the 10 of Pentacles and not one less. I don't want the 9, 8, 7, 6. I want the 10 of Pentacles. I've been patient. So much time has gone by. I've been doing all the work. And now this time I command my 10 of Pentacles. I want complete happiness. Because without that, I'm not willing to take action. And I'm very, very upset and very angry with them. Yes, they feel without that, they've made a choice. I'm not willing to give a second chance to person A. That's what they're feeling at the moment, okay? But I think with this communication coming from person A's end, things can be made right. What do you say, person A? What's on your mind? You want to tell us? Person A, what's on your mind? Okay. Person A says if there were any third parties involved, third parties could be anything, Virgo, could be maybe somebody had a wife or a husband, or maybe there was somebody else in the mix, maybe relatives or work or business, whatever said and done, person A this is what is on their mind. They say if there was anything that was disrupting our reunion, there was anything that, was coming in the way of we two being together, my Two of Cups being with me, I'm going to now step up to the plate. They want to come across as somebody very stable who's going to now take charge of the situation. They want to be able to provide. They want to be seen and respected on a one-to-one. They are very sure that there is only one and only one love for them, which is person B. So yes, victory. And person B, anything on your mind that you want to tell us? Oh, Queen of Wands is clarified by the Queen of Wands in reverse with the King of Cups. They said, I know my person loves me a lot. Then why do they hide it? They play all these games with me. Sometimes they come towards me with love. Sometimes they hurt me. And that really, really pisses me off. I'm not going to take any action. I want them to come and reveal what's in their heart. I know they love me. I love them too. I have a big cup of love for them as well. But now I want them to show me. So that's where you all are at, Virgo. Let me know how many of you this resonated with. Maybe you can give a thumbs up and let me know. That'd be very kind of you. It really helps me. Thank you so much. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.